Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon as well so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end. So now let us get back to the charts of gold and let us not waste any further time. So when we were discussing yesterday, gold was trading over here, and I told you guys that once market closes above our mentioned area of resistance, you guys could easily take a buy trade over here. So if you guys would have taken this buying entry, let us see how much profit you guys would have made. This would be your stop loss, this would be your take profit 1.3%. Then market once again tested over here, and then again market closed with a buying candle with a green candle over here. So your stop loss will be just below this previous candle if you guys are just taking entries as per the green candle rule, and your take profit will be approximately 3.7% minimum. Okay, then afterwards market gave us another opportunity when market tested our area of resistance over here. Okay, so once market tested our resistance over here and again gave us a green candle, which was a good candle of buying, so we could have taken a buying entry over here. Our stop loss will be just over here, just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, which is giving us a take profit of 1.5%. So overall very good entries in this pair. And then market started to fall, and market fell drastically from our resistance zone, then from our short-term support, and then even from our main support area. Okay, as you guys can see, the market even though gave us a little bit opportunity to buy from here, but then market again drastically fell down over here, so maybe we would have also hit a stop loss over here as well. Okay, right now our areas of support and resistance are not gonna change because this is a huge market move that is currently taking place. But I would prefer to stay on the buying side of the market, as market has made a significant fall already. So it is my preference that now market will make a pullback and give you some good buying opportunities from this major buying zone. Just be vigilant and just be careful for the trading of this gold pair, and always manage your risks accordingly, and do not risk more than 1 or 2% of your total equity, and always use proper stop loss and proper risk to reward ratio. Okay, so but as market is continuously falling, there could be a good chance that market could fall further from here as well. Okay, so and if a market retests our area of support and once again closes below the our area of market support, then maybe you guys could also sell this gold pair and make some good profit. Just follow the simple rule of safety sell. Okay, number six can yeah, this rule number six, which is the key for entry rule number six: sell upon a retest. Just like this, market closes below our area of support zone, come backs and retest our area of support zone, and once again close below, then you guys can sell it as well. Okay, so now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair. Oh my god, huge spikes over here as well. So you guys can clearly see that market has not really given us much opportunity. Market has simply just stayed sideways. Market tested our area of resistance over here, closed below, then again tested, then closed below, and then again tested and closed below. So market gave us a few opportunities of selling, but we would have hit our stop loss. So more or less, I think two stop losses would have been hit in this pair so far, and this was a huge candle, so I would have preferred to stay out of the market. So just be vigilant in this GBP versus USD pair as well. It's okay to hit your stop losses a few times as well, because hitting your stop loss does not mean that you are a bad trader. This just simply means that you followed your basic principle of trading, but it did not turn out as you expected it to be. But since you are always managing your risk accordingly, so that's why you are not going to hit a major loss. Okay, you should always know when to cut your losses short. Okay, that's the more important thing. Okay, we are making continuous profit, so sometimes if we make make a loss as well, so that is going to be bearable for us. Okay, so that's all. Now let us move forward to the Euro USD pair. Okay, in this Euro USD pair, same story is repeating over here. Market did not give us any opportunity to buy or sell, and market has now made a significant move. So we are just going to simply wait for our key for entries to work out for us. So once our key for entries are working out, we if we get a proper good entry from this support level or this support level, then we are going to set in the buying side of the market, as currently market is falling. So this might give us some good opportunities of buying in the coming hours. Okay, so that's all for today for the Euro USD pair. I will look forward to you guys tomorrow, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits in this Euro versus US dollar pair as well. So that's all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh analysis. Thank you.